Let us see how you can set your own destination number for your virtual number. So any calls that come on this virtual number will get forwarded to your destination number. Simply click on destination setup. Enter a 10-digit mobile number. This must be an Indian number. Now any calls coming on this number will get forwarded to your mobile number. Now we need to verify your destination number. For that you need to call from your destination number to your virtual number. Please note, as it is a landline number, you need to either enter +91800698 or 080698. Now click on start verification. Now after that, give a phone call. As soon as your call is done, it will get automatically verified. The destination number will get automatically verified and your virtual number will become active. Thank you.